Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. For years, no-code tools promises that anyone can build software. But the reality is that you usually ended up locked into a rigid visual canvas, struggling to connect complex backend databases and fighting with clunky templates. But in 2026, the paradigm has shifted from coding to creating. It's a movement called vibe coding, and the platform leading the charge is Hercules. Okay, Hercules.app. This was formerly known as SUS, and this was built by the team under Brandon Falk. Okay, so Hercules isn't just like an AI generator; it's a full-stack AI engineer. You just type what you want in plain English, and Hercules handles the heavy lifting. It writes the Next.js and React frontend. It's gonna set up the convex database and wire up the automation. Okay, so I'm gonna give you like a complete beginner guide on how to use this. Okay guys, so when you first log into Hercules, you're not gonna see like a drag and drop menu. You're just gonna see this chat box, okay, which is very simple. So I'm gonna use by giving you my prompt, okay, a comprehensive initial prompt that is gonna set the foundation of this. So what I like to do, guys, is to build like a habit tracker application. So I'm just gonna you know give you this prompt here. As you can see, I'm giving it like a lot of detail. I want it to be modern, minimalist, dark mode, and describing the basic main elements of the page. You always have to make sure to do this, okay? As with a lot of these AI tools, you can use different models. You can use the light or the expert. However, the expert model is only going to be reserved for the pro plans, okay? Similarly, you can use like a plan mode, okay, which is going to be great. But for this case, I'm just going to use the build mode, okay? And you can attach images. I'm just going to click on generate now, and you're going to see what happens. Okay, so Hercules is gonna start writing actual React and Tailwind CSS code in the background. Okay, which is great. Something that I love about Hercules is that it works pretty fast. Okay, in just a couple of minutes you can get like a functional app if you're using like the fast mode, which is so good. So guys, it's been about 2 minutes, and this is what we have. Okay, we have a beautiful UI. It looks premium, and as you can see, the different like hover states basically work. The layout is fully responsive. It looks like for mobile too. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some fixes, but it looks pretty good. Now, any AI can build a pretty UI, but a UI is just like a hollow shell. If I type or if I try to sign in, what's gonna happen? Let's see. Okay, it's working fine, and I can actually, like add new habits and everything, which is great. Okay, this is so good because it means that, from this one prompt, Hercules completely destroys traditional web builders because it natively integrates with the backend structure. Okay, specifically convex to handle databases and state management automatically. Now, of course, you're not going to get it right from the first time. You're always going to be looking to add more features to your application. And what I like about Hercules is the fact that it's always going to tell you the next step, okay? So it's going to tell you habit management, edit, and delete. This is what the AI basically thinks that your app should contain next, okay? So you can just click on build it, and you're going to be able to, well, build it, okay? Build this feature from just one click, which is actually great. And if you type something like, I don't know, create like the add habit button, okay, it's not just gonna create that button, but it's gonna make sure to integrate with the backend schema, okay, set up the API routes and bound the front-end UI to the database, okay, so it's gonna be try to be very complete. And obviously the authentication is great. It's actually integrated with Google, with Microsoft, with a lot of different email services. Now this is just talking about the AI editor, okay? But we can also get to the visual editor. And what we can do in here is we can basically click on any button or any text or any image. Okay, as you can see in here, we can modify this, which is great, okay? So I can just click on this text and I can change it completely. Okay, as you can see in here. Alright, so this is great. From this little button here, you can change the text color, the background, and the font size, okay? You can even delete this element. You can also change your, logo for the branding for the browser tab. If you go to branding and CEO, you can customize different logins, like the social media, the theme, and things like that, okay, which is so good. A feature of the Pro plan that you can upgrade easily if you just go here is gonna allow you to remove the Hercules badge, okay, which is kind of annoying, and you obviously don't want that, but you're gonna require like a Pro plan for that, okay, so keep that in mind. And of course, it's going to be complete with a users and authentication system that is going to show you basically where you have all of your users. And you can just come to users on authentication for this, okay? It's very simple and it's going to show you all of your users. You can connect also like a domain, but that's going to require a pro plan as well, okay? But yeah, so guys, whenever you're ready to share your app with the world, you don't need to configure Vercel or AWS. You can just click on deploy or you can just click on Publish. And Hercules is going to handle the cloud hosting, the SSL certificates, and it's going to give you like a live URL. Okay, so you can even connect your own custom domain, as I said before, with the Pro plan. Otherwise, it's going to give you like an on Hercules app domain. Okay, it's going to work similarly for the mobile. Okay, if you can publish your app in the mobile store, okay, it's gonna guide you through and it's gonna give you all the different steps. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and something that I don't want to forget, guys, because Hercules runs standard motor code, you're never locked in. If you're a developer, you can basically change the code view, as you can see here, code base. Okay, and you can manually tweak the TypeScript, adjust the Tailwind utility classes, or add custom React hooks right here in the browser. Okay, Hercules is gonna understand the changes that you make manually, and it's not gonna override them when you go back to the chat interface. This is a completely bi-directional workflow. So guys, give this a try and let us know what you think about it. You're gonna have like a bunch of free credits in the free plan and you can, build a very good app with this, okay? So let us know and thank you so much.